Brian na aga sa Indo ka, boss. Today po, tutugduan ko kamo kung paano i-navigate or i-discover ang interface kang www.oragondeals.com. So, here we go. To start, open mo lang ang browser mo and type in the www.oragondeals.com at mahiling mo tulos ang main page na simple and clean interface para less confusion sa tuya ka, boss. Sa top right, mahiling mo ang seller's guide. So, kung business ka, freelancers and service provider and you want to be part of oragondeals.com, go to seller's guide. Pero kung consumer ka lang or kung gusto mo lang magbakal ng mga deals, go to the buyer's guide. Sa farther right, ito namang little icon, mahiling mo dyan ang 4 options. So kung beginner ka pa lang, go to register if you're a buyer and seller register if you are a business, a freelancer or service provider. Kapag naka-register ka na, you can choose the login, these two logins para makaabot ka sa imong profile. Alright? So, sa another top naman ng part ng website, mahiling mo ang home categories and all deals. Very simple interface. You can see here kung anong type of deals are you looking for, or you can actually choose dito mismo sa mga green tabs na ini. And also, kung gusto mo maging very specific, let's say nasa Naga ka, nasa Daet ka, Legazpi, Masbate, you can just simply check the city na yaon ka at mahiling mo kung anong pinaka-running deals sa lugar mo. Let's say you want a food category. Do the search. Then, ang gabos ng mga deals about food will actually appear sa browser mo based on the location na sinearch mo. If you want to go back home, just click home. And sa baba, mahiling mo ining ina-upload ng mga featured deals. So these are the special deals that are actually giving extra promotions. And kung gusto mo naman mahiling ang gabos ng mga deals sa website or sa oragondeals.com, just go lower, mahiling mo ang gabos na deals dyan. And you can just click see more to see more of the deals. Yun lang. Simple, clean interface ng oragondeals.com. So feel free to join and enjoy the kind of lifestyle that you deserve.